Hello folks, welcome to El Canal del Chano Jose. Today we're going to show you how important it is to clean your wheels from the inside as well. For example, when I take my car to a car show, I clean the wheels from the outside and I take my time to take them off and clean them from the inside, because all that brake dust starts building around and it makes a really dark coating that the aluminum looks really shiny on the outside, but then you start looking on an angle and you can tell that the wheels inside they're dirty, and that says a lot about the owner of the car. So I take my time to take the wheels off, I polish them, and then I clean the inside. So when you put them on, it looks clean, neat. So that way when you take it to a show, that shows how much effort and how much you care about your car. And people respect that, because in these days, they look at how well, even if your paint is damaged, but you got it really nice and clean, all the chromes are clean, people start looking at that stuff and they appreciate how much effort you put into your car. So for example, we're going to show you that the wheel is clean from the outside, and then we're going to show you how it looks from the inside, and that says a lot about the owner of the car. So put a little bit more effort into cleaning your car. So let's show you what we mean by that. So we've been polishing, we took the wheel off and we've been polishing it from the outside and it looks clean. But then you start looking through the openings, and as you can see, we have cleaned a little bit over here, and then that gives it a little bit better view. But then you start looking at all the brake dust that builds up on the wheel, and it looks dark. So it's shiny and dark, so that gives a different view on how you're taking care of your car. So you take it to a show and then you just clean the outside and the inside it looks dirty. That makes a lot of difference. So we go to the passenger side and we have polished the wheels, and as you can see that the aluminum looks cleaner. So that gives it a total different view or image on how well you're taking care of your car. Like I said, the paint and all that can be old, but if you clean it and polish it and give it a good view, that gives a character to your car. By cleaning the inside of the wheel can make a big difference. If you can win a trophy or not win a trophy, that can make a difference. So for us, it's not about winning the trophy, it's about bringing the car and showing that we put effort into cleaning our car. Especially, you got to put pride into your car. So we take the wheels off and we clean them from the inside, at least not polish them, but to look like aluminum so they look clean. We're using a stainless steel plastic wire brush. So the wire brush area is stainless steel and it's soft, and we're using plastic, and we're going to be using a microfiber rag to wipe it down, but we're going to be using quick detailer as it's going to help the dust when we're scraping around or cleaning to come off and stay in there. So we use that rag to wipe after. So we're going to show you how we do it. So we clean the wheels from the inside. So as you could see, folks, we have used some lubricant, a quick detailer, just to get the dust from keep the brake dust from flying around, and we use a wire brush to scrape it around, and once all that stuff came off, we wipe it down with a microfiber. So that helped for us to clean this wheel to the aluminum, just to make it look clean. So we're gonna keep going, and we're gonna show you how the final product looks. And then you can do some polishing just to get it even cleaner. So we'll do that at the end. So now that we have cleaned the whole wheel, I like to give it a small polish with the metal polish made by Blue Magic. So what I do, I use a microfiber, and then you can see where I have already cleaned it. It looks a little bit polished, and this is dull. So what I do it because it helps protect the wheel from future use. And that way I can keep it a little bit maintenance, so the wheel looks cleaner from both sides. I like to do this because that says a lot about the owner, and I like to have him clean. So it's like when you go to a dance, you want to have your clean shoes, clean pants. But if you got good pants and your shoes look like crap, that says a lot about you. So I like to have a good set of clean wheels when I go to a dance, car show. So as you can see, that gives it a little bit better shine, and that helps protect the wheel for the future. So now we have a shiny area, and then it looks a little bit dull because we haven't polished this area over here. So we're gonna give it a little shine to the whole wheel. As you can see, all the oxidation that comes out of the aluminum, and that's a lot. I can keep polishing and polishing, and the rag is gonna come out really dark, but I'm just doing it to give it a small clean, see, so I can protect the wheel. So now we have a clean wheel from the inside, and polish from the outside. So that says a lot about the owner of the car, because you put some effort on cleaning the outside, but then you also clean the inside. And not many people get to clean their wheels from the inside because all you care about is the outside. But I really care about the outside and the inside, because you can, that says a lot about how much you care about your car. So with that said, folks, keep your wheels clean from the inside and outside, because that makes a big difference when you take your car to a car show. Well, folks, this is how I clean my wheels and get my car ready for a car shows. And I polish the outside, and I always clean the inside to make it clean. And that says a lot about the owner of the car. So with that said, folks, hopefully this video was helpful, informative. And if you like this video, give us a thumbs up, share it, and we'll see you soon with more videos here on the canal Chano Jose.